Hi, welcome back to the kitchen. It is July 31st. Since we've already cut into one of the Quettis or spicorns, we're going to cut into the next. Well, I don't know what you want to call this one. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think this should be called. But we're going to cut into this. We're going to go ahead and cook that up for tonight, and we're going to see what we got going on here. Come on, let's cook. Okay, we've already washed this up. If you remember what this looked like in the garden when we first realized these were cross-pollinating, then it started turning pretty orange. It's continued to get more orange as we've had it in the house. I think it's a good time to go ahead and open this one up. Like with the last one, let's see if I can't do this without cutting myself. Oh yeah, this skin is much softer. Oh, look how nice that is. That is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and gather these seeds. So yeah, just nicely scoop it out. That's pretty soft. This ripened up faster than the Quetti or spicorn. That cleaned up very nice. It's very, very orange inside. Well, there's one. Now if we like what this tastes like, we're going to definitely save these seeds. These are big, nice, mature seeds. Like I said, don't go too deep. One quick note on seeds. When we get time here this afternoon while this is cooking, we just pop these out one at a time, and then we'll go ahead and rinse them off and lay them out on a paper towel to let dry. They come out, these are really nice seeds. They come out really clean, really easily. If we like what this tastes like, we're definitely going to plant some more next year. So I need a name for this squash. This one's a zucchini, I think. You gotta watch out because you can squirt these across the room. We're gonna cook this like a traditional spaghetti squash. Face down. Just go ahead and add some water, about halfway. And lightly cover it with some foil. Then we're gonna go ahead and cook that for about an hour, and then we'll check it. These are kind of large, so we don't want to overcook it, but we don't want to undercook it. We'll face down. Go ahead and fill it up about halfway with water. Aluminum foil over it just lightly. We'll get this in the oven. In about an hour, we'll check it. It's been an hour, and I think these are done, so I'll pull out the other one and we'll take a look at it. What I'm going to do is pour this water off because I'm sure this is done. This is definitely done. Little trick, 2 forks. That's poking right through the skin. This thing is definitely done. We're going to let this cool off just a little bit before we peel out the flesh. It's coming out in chunks. Seems to be sort of half and half. Spaghetti squash. I don't know what it is. This skin is pretty soft. You got to be careful not to get into the skin. Coming out pretty soft. And now for the tasting. Still pretty warm. Now that is nice. That is nice. Thank you for coming to the kitchen. I still need to know what to call this, so leave a comment down below. Your favorite name, spaghetti or zucchini. And while those were cooking, Went ahead and cleaned up a bunch of these seeds. Just spread them out on a paper towel, let them dry. I think the jury's in, and we definitely like this squash. We're going to save these seeds. That's all you have to do as far as saving the seeds. It's pretty simple. If you like any of these videos, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends. I'm going to go have dinner. Thank you for coming. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.